A masked killer, coded messages, a string of brutal murders. And a case that remains unsolved after more than 50 years. The Zodiac Killer is one of America's most terrifying mysteries, one that continues to haunt investigators and true crime enthusiasts alike. It all started on December 20th, 1968. Teenagers Betty Lou Jensen and David Faraday were parked on a quiet lovers' lane in Vallejo, California, when someone approached their car. Both were shot at close range. The killer left no clues, just the horror of what was to come. Months later, police received a chilling letter from someone calling themselves the Zodiac. The letter taunted police and the media. It included bizarre ciphers, claiming that if cracked, they would reveal his identity. But even after decades of attempts, some of his codes remain unbroken. His next attack was unlike the others. In broad daylight at Lake Berryessa, he wore an executioner-style hood and carved his symbol onto the victim's car before fleeing. Once again, he wrote to the police, mocking them, even giving details only the real killer could know. Who was the Zodiac? Over the years, many names have surfaced. Arthur Lee Allen, a convicted child molester. Gary Francis Post, whose name supposedly fits into the ciphers. And even theories linking him to the Unabomber. Yet, no one has ever been definitively identified. Could the real Zodiac be someone we never even suspected? Despite the efforts of detectives, cryptographers, and internet sleuths, the Zodiac case remains unsolved. Did he die before being caught, or is he still out there, watching? What do you think? Was Zodiac caught but never identified, or did he escape justice forever? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you love unsolved mysteries, don't forget to subscribe to Unsolved Chronicles and hit the bell icon for more chilling stories.